Last Friday when I woke, I really didn't feel very good. So I decided to spend the day at home even though I was meant to go to my studio and make music and make videos. But eventually I got bored and I started making music. And then I thought of this quote, "Music is the healing force of the universe." I think that can be true. At least once I started making music, I found myself in a much better mood and suddenly I had the energy to be me. And that led me to the question, why do we write music and what are we looking for when we are writing? I always tell my students to write multiple parts, even though they are kind of satisfied with the parts they already wrote. Because maybe you're only satisfied with what you wrote because you simply can't imagine it any better. Why does it feel so good to do as little as possible? Like only writing 2 parts when only 2 parts are needed, and only writing 5 songs when you need 5 songs for your EP. Instead of doing what we plan to do, what about working until something unexpected happens? Music is like an adventure, and has there ever been a straight line through an exciting adventure? Did you ever imagine how your girlfriend were gonna be before you met her, and were you right? No, we don't know how life turns out, and this is what makes life worth living. I think music is about expanding our imagination. So instead of doing what we already know how to do, then let's continue working until we do something we have never experienced before. Simply keep working until the music starts telling our story. For me, when I'm writing music, the biggest moments are when I experience something new. It becomes a way of learning about myself, and it makes me see the world in a new light. It's like learning new words and languages. It's like understanding the art of photography and suddenly being able to see light and compositions. It's like understanding how colors fit together. It's about expanding my vocabulary of being me. This is simply what keeps me going. An endless journey with experiences behind every corner. And it's right in front of me. Fairy tales are created when we choose to go somewhere new. So let's write more, challenge ourselves to look at what we do in a new light. And let's not be afraid of writing 10 parts even though we only need 3. Let's learn to do and then do a lot, no matter if we have the energy or not. Let's learn to appreciate that we are actually capable of doing anything. And doing a lot of music is maybe the most easy thing in the whole universe. It's not like lifting an elephant, it's simply about doing something. If you like this video, then please help me and my fairy tale by hitting the thumbs up button and considering to subscribing to my channel. It would truly make me happy. Enjoy!